How to allow or deny body sensor permissions on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we then scroll down and tap on more privacy settings. Now in here, tap on permission manager. Then at the top, tap on body sensors. And from here, it will show two sections. One section will allow apps that has permission to body sensors, and one section will show not allow. So if you want to allow Samsung Health to access body sensors, you tap on that, and then you choose allow only while using the app, and then tap on the back key, and that will move to the allow section. And here we got Samsung members. So if you don't want allow, choose don't allow. Or if you want to remove the permission, just tap on app, then choose don't allow. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.